Hi guys, today we're going to look at some tips and tricks in how to multi-edit lines in codes in Qlang developer environment. So we have three options today. Apart from the obvious option to do search and replace, I'm going to show you some other options. And what we want to do is to multi-edit. So say, for instance, we want to have a cursor here, here, and here, and then write something simultaneous. We can press Ctrl and then multi-place the cursor using Ctrl and mouse, and then we can write something in a multi-place. My comment here. So if we want to instead do something that is in a block, we can press Alt key and then mouse to draw a line or a whole block, and then we can replace that. So if we want a multi-cursor there, then we can place that with using Alt and then multi-cursor. And then the last option would be to highlight a word or part of a word. So for instance, we want to change the variable content, and then we mark that, and then we press repeatedly ctrl+d as in David, and then we can mark all those contents, and then we have a multi-cursor to say that, okay, so we want this to be not content, and then we're done. Okay, so those were the tricks that I wanted to show you. Thank you.